Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Megan Lopez. Austin recently celebrated a major renovation of historic Brush Square Park and the O. Henry Museum. Let's take a look.
3, 2, 1.
Well, we're here at Brush Square, historic Brush Square in downtown Austin, right next to the Convention Center, home of the Brush Square Museums, O. Henry Museum and Dickinson Museum. This is one of Austin's oldest squares. It's one of 3 remaining downtown squares. We're celebrating a ribbon cutting for the dedication of this amazing renovated Brush Square, Phase 1, as well as the restoration of the O. Henry Museum. Today is Austin Museum Day, so this is a day all across the city where museums are out. So we have the Buffalo Soldiers here doing some demonstration projects. We have children and we have families. We have a brass band. It's really an incredible day. We have the mayor speak as well as our leadership from our department, and we couldn't be more excited for the square's opening.
Improvements for Phase 1 include a new stage for musicians, a new green space for the annual O. Henry Pun-Off, along with new lighting, walkways, and landscaping. Both the Brush Square and O. Henry Museum projects were funded by the Historic Preservation Fund in partnership with the Heritage Tourism Division of the Economic Development Department. The fund, made possible through hotel occupancy tax, helps preserve and restore Austin's historic treasures. For more information, visit austintexas.gov/brushsquareplan. Back in April, Spurs Give and Austin Parks Foundation donated nearly $500,000 to launch Play ATX Initiative, a multi-year program dedicated to renovating 5 parks and basketball courts across Austin. With a resurfaced court, new lighting, and additional park benches, Garrison District Park Basketball Court is the city's newest upgraded facility.
I just want to thank everyone from the Spurs organization for gracing us with this beautiful court.
Go Spurs, go!
We're here today at Garrison Park, unveiling the latest basketball court that's been renovated from the Austin Parks Foundation and the San Antonio Spurs.
What size are you?
Through an initiative called Play ATX.
You like it?
The Austin Parks Foundation and the San Antonio Spurs have been working together for a couple of years to identify some basketball courts around Austin that are desperately in need of refurbishing. We finished the first one at Dove Springs about 6 months ago. We're here today at Garrison Park, number 2, and we've got 2 or 3 more to come at a minimum, and the hope is that we're going to be doing a whole lot more than that.
1, 2, 3, Spurs!
So it's always great doing park projects and getting to see kids out here enjoying them and playing on them and using them the way they're intended to be played on. So it's a lot of fun when you get to see your work, the fruits of your work. Garrison Park is down here in southeast Austin. It's an amazing park, tons of shade, there's a swimming pool, and now this amazing basketball court. So if you're looking for a really cool park that's kind of on the DL, this is a great one to come to.
I've always been big into giving back. I did it at New Mexico State. I did it at University of Texas as well. So it's just always fun for me to come out here and just see the future kids that try to be where I'm at. And so it's always fun just to try to help them and give them knowledge, but just to be around. I just like being a part of the community and just doing something other than like playing basketball on the court. This court is amazing. Like, they don't do those things where I'm from. So right now I kind of feel like them. I kind of feel like I'm just now seeing the court and like being a part of it. So it's fun, and I'm just blessed, honestly.
To learn how you can partner with Austin Parks and Recreation, visit austintexas.gov/partnership. The Carver Library recently celebrated its 90th birthday. Attendees enjoyed face painting, snacks, Italian ice, and a performance by jazz singer Kenny Williams.
With each word, your tenderness grows.
An open mic was also available for anybody who wanted to share what the historic library means to them.
Thank you for celebrating this 90th anniversary of the Carver Library, and we look forward to having many, many more in this community and throughout the city of Austin. So thank you all so very much.
So this branch is very important for this part of the community because back in the day when this branch was first started, it was the first branch that was, for the black population of Austin, which, East Austin was designated as that back in the day. It was a place to meet, it was a place to educate, and it still is to this day. It's such a big part of the community in this part of town. It started out as a very tiny little building, and now it is one of the bigger branches of the library system.
For more information on Carver and other Austin public libraries, visit library.austintexas.gov. That's it for this week's CityView. And now we leave you with sights and sounds from this week's Live from the Library with Marco Antonio Santos.